Okay, good afternoon to all of you. We will try to solve this one example. I think you have already drawn the diagram. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So, shall I start to solve this example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just have a look towards the diagram. If you see that one, two, three, four, five, six, total six resistances are connected to a battery of 9 volts. Now the question is that when we want to calculate the total resistance of the circuit, how these resistances are connected? Can anybody give me that how these resistances are connected? Can anyone try? चुकू दे चुकलं तर पण you should try.
2 ओमचे सिरीज मध्ये जोडलेले आहेत.
These two are connected
सगळे.
in series.
येस.
सगळेच.
हा.
लेट मी क्लिअर युअर डाऊट नाव. बघा आता मला एक रिस्पॉन्स असा मिळाला की हे जे काही 1 2 3 4 टोटल 4 2 ओहमचे रेजिस्टन्स आहेत ते सिरीजमध्ये कनेक्टेड आहेत आणि इट्स ॲब्सोल्युटली रॉंग. वाय रॉंग? सिरीजमध्ये म्हणल्यानंतर आपण काय म्हणतो की त्या दोन रेजिस्टरमध्ये एक कॉमन पॉईंट आहे आणि तो कॉमन पॉईंट दुसऱ्या कुठल्याही ब्रँचला कनेक्टेड नाही आहे. मग आता मला सांगा हा 2 ओहम आणि हा 2 ओहम हा आणि हा सिरीजमध्ये कसा येऊ शकतो? मान्य आहे की त्यांच्यामध्ये एकच कॉमन पॉईंट आहे, पण जरी तो एकच कॉमन पॉईंट असेल तरी तो कॉमन पॉईंट या दुसऱ्या ब्रँचला कनेक्टेड आहे ना. याचा अर्थ आपण हे दोन रेजिस्टन्स 2 ओहमचे हे सिरीजमध्ये आहे असं सांगू शकत नाही किंवा म्हणू शकत नाही. ओके, इट्स नॉट रिलेटेड टू अवर डेफिनेशन. पुन्हा हे दोन घ्या, हा एक 2 ओहमचा रेजिस्टन्स घ्या, हा एक 2 ओहमचा रेजिस्टन्स घ्या. याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा एकच कॉमन पॉईंट आहे, पण तो कॉमन पॉईंट दुसऱ्या ब्रँचला कनेक्टेड आहे, त्याच्यामुळे ते दोन रेजिस्टर्स पण आपण सिरीज म्हणू शकत नाही. पण आता जर हा 2 ओहमचा घेतला आणि हा 2 ओहमचा घेतला तर याच्यामध्ये एक कॉमन पॉईंट आहे, पण तो कॉमन पॉईंट दुसऱ्या कुठल्याही ब्रँचला कनेक्टेड नाही, म्हणून फक्त हे दोन रजिस्टरच आपण सिरीजमध्ये म्हणू शकतो, बाकीच्या दोन रजिस्टर बद्दल म्हणू शकत नाही. इज इट क्लिअर?
येस सर.
Yes, sir.
Let me clear that the point here. Okay, so the thing is that these two resistors are connected in series because there is a one common point and that common point is not connected to any another branch. Now I will try to write it down here. Rs is equal to this 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 ohm. Is it right? Now my question is that these two resistors are connected in series, but in between which points they are connected in series? So this is a point. Is it right? Let me consider that point A, and this is a point. This is point B. In between the point A and B, these two resistors are connected in a series. And when these two resistors are connected in series, their total resistance is 4 ohm. Let me try to replace now the diagram with the total resistance here. So I can try to draw here. This is one resistor. This is another resistance. It's a third one. This is fourth one. Okay, and this is a point A and this is a point B. Let me give that the value also. It's a 9 volt. It's a 2 ohm. This is also 2 ohm. This is 4 ohm and this is a 4 ohm. Now this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm are connected in series and they are connected in between the point A and B. Its a total resistance is a 4. So can I say that this total resistance I can connect here I can connect here, okay, and its resistance is a 4 ohm. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now these 4 ohm and these 4 ohm, how they are connected?
Parallel.
They are connected in parallel because one end of this 4 ohm is connected to this A point, and one end of this second 4 ohm is also connected to the A point. Means one point is common. Similarly, other end of this first 4 ohm is a B, and the other end of this second 4 ohm is also connected to the common point B. It means that there are two common points. So we say that this 4 ohm and this 4 ohm are connected in parallel. Now, how to calculate that the total resistance in a parallel circuit? 1 upon R total is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So can you give me that what is that R total? 1 upon R total is equal to
0.5.
huh? 0.5.
0.5.
Therefore, R total is equal to 2 ohm. And we know that our technique, when the two resistances are connected in parallel having a equal value, then its total resistance is exactly half of that. Is it right? Now the thing is that these parallel resistances are connected in between the point A and B, so that now again this parallel combination I will try to replace with their total resistance. Now remaining circuit, let me try to draw that is as it is. This is a point A, this is a point B. These resistances are as it is, okay. It's a 9 volt. And now this 4 ohm and 4 ohm, they are in parallel and its a total resistance is a 2. So now this 2 ohm resistance I have to connect it in between the point A and B. This is the simplest diagram. Is it right? Now, what about this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm resistance?
Series.
Series. Absolutely correct, because in between these two resistors,
1.5.
A is a common, and this point is not connected to any another branch. So now once again I can write Rs, which is equal to this 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 ohm. But the question is that in between which 2 points these two resistors are connected in series. So this is the point here. Let me say that this is a point P and this is a point Q. In between these 2 points, these two and these two are connected in series. So when I want to replace this series combination with its total resistance, so I can replace with a 4 ohm in between the point P and Q, and then my simplified diagram, it becomes like this. Now see that this part is as it is. This is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, and this is a 9 volt, and these are the points P and Q. In between that point P and Q, these two and these two are connected in series, so that it's a total resistance I can connect it in between the point P and Q, and that is nothing but 4 ohm. Is it right? Now, if you see that this 4 ohm and this 4 ohm, how they are connected?
Parallel.
Huh?
Parallel.
So now can you give me the direct answer for, because
Two.
these two resistances
2
are in
ohm.
parallel. So can I say that it's a R total is equal to 2 ohm?
2.
But in between which 2 points these two resistors are connected in parallel? In between the point P and Q.
P and Q.
Right? So that when I want to replace this parallel combination with its total resistance, so I can replace, this is a point P, this is a point Q, this is 2 ohm, this is 9 volt. Now these 4 and 4, they are in parallel, so that I can replace with its total resistance, which is nothing but 2 ohm. Now how the 2 ohm and this 2 ohm is connected?
Series.
Series.
Series. So that my total resistance, it becomes 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 ohm. Is it clear? Any doubt?
हॅलो सर.
Yes, please.
सर जे सिरीज मध्ये वरती येतं ना सर 2 ओम 2 ओम 2 ओम
कोणते कोणते सांगा मला कोणता हा हे
वरती.
दोनच फक्त सिरीज मध्ये आहेत मेन सर्किट डायग्राम मध्ये.
ओके सर ते दोन आहेत आणि सर पुढची दोन आहेत बघा सर.
पुढचे दोन हा
सर मग आता असं करता यायला तर येत नाही का 2 ओम प्लस पॅरल मध्ये असलेलं 2 ओम ह्यांचं ऍडिशन करायचं 4 ओम आणि हे 2 ओमचं ऍडिशन करायचं आणि परत हे 4 ओम आणि 2 ओमचं ऍडिशन करायचं
let,
म्हणजे
let,
सगळं
let,
पॅरल
let,
मध्ये.
let, let, let me clear these things. What you are talking I'm not getting. Once again I will keep the pointer here.
हॅलो सर.
Yes please.
हा सर जे सिरीज मध्ये 2 ओम आहेत ना सर लास्ट
हे दोन सिरीज मध्ये आहेत.
ते दोघांचं ऍडिशन करायचं.
ओके 4 झालं.
आणि सर हे मधले जे 2 आणि 4 ओम आहेत त्याचं दोघांचं ऍडिशन करायचं म्हणजे 6 ओम होतं.
नो इट्स नॉट लाईक दॅट. हे दोन आणि हा 4 सिरीज मध्ये कसं काय म्हणू शकता तुम्ही? कारण त्यांच्यामध्ये जो काही कॉमन पॉइंट आहे तो कॉमन पॉइंट हा दुसऱ्या ब्रांचला कनेक्टेड आहे. सो दिस प्रॉपर्टी विल नॉट फुलफिल. इज इट राईट? But when you replace this 2 ohm and 2 ohm by 4 ohm, now first this 4 and this 4, here I have drawn the diagram. How you can say that these 2 and these 4 are in series? Because there is a one common point, but this common point is connected to another branch. So you have to solve first these 4 and 4, they are in parallel, so that its total resistance is a 2 ohm. Get it my point?
येस सर.
You cannot say this 2 ohm and this 4 ohm is in a series, because the property, just check that the property here, the point A is a common, but it is connected to another branch. That's why we cannot say that they are in series is there. Hope that my explanation will clear your doubt.
येस सर.
Okay, now anybody having any doubt? बघा आता जसं त्यांनी ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी माझ्या पुढे डाऊट सांगून त्यांनी तो स्वतःचं कन्फ्युजन दूर केलेलं आहे. सो इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द स्टुडंट्स, इफ यू हॅव दॅट डाऊट रिलेटेड टू दिस सिरीज अँड पॅरलल सर्किट, प्लीज कम अप विथ दॅट डाऊट. अदरवाइज I know that the students are always confused about that the series and the parallel circuit. प्रत्येकाला असं वाटत असतं की हे असंच का नाहीये, हे दोन सिरीज मध्ये का असू शकत नाही किंवा ते दोन पॅरलल मध्ये. सो फॉर दॅट आय हॅव ऑलरेडी से दॅट the properties of a series circuit and the parallel circuit should be in front of you while solving the numerical at initial phase. Okay, so now the total resistance, you know that this is a 4 ohm. The total voltage, you know that, just calculate the total current. I is equal to V divided by R total, which is equal to 9 divided by 4, so that it becomes 2 point. 2 for you?
25.
So this is the total current. Okay,
2.25.
2 point
25.
I have written here. Okay, so please note down or give me response if your writing is over. Or
Yes, sir.
so shall I take that next example?
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
झालं सर.
Oh, I will take that the next example. Ah. Now you can take this one numerical as a homework, but I want to know that who will give me that what is the correct procedure to calculate the total resistance between A and B. Can anybody try to calculate the resistance in between the point A and B? But the procedure sanga orally just by observing this diagram.
हॅलो सर.
Yes, please.
सर ते 2 ओमचे 3 रेझिस्टन्स एकमेकांना पॅरलल मध्ये आहेत.
Absolutely correct.
त्यांचं आन्सर काय तरी येईल. आणि
But
इकडं 6 ओम आणि 3 ओम एकमेकांना पॅरलल मध्ये आहेत.
okay,
यांचं पण काय तरी आन्सर येईल. आणि ही दोघं एकमेकांना सिरीज मध्ये येतात.
absolutely correct.
ही सिरीज मध्ये येणार आन्सर आणि 4 ओहम खालचं एकमेकांना पॅरलल मध्ये आहेत.
Okay,
2 ओहम आणि आता ह्या सगळ्यांचा आलेला आन्सर आणि
Okay.
इकडचं 2 ओहम हे
Okay.
एकमेकांना सिरीज मध्ये आहेत.
Okay.
मग ह्यांचं तिघांचं जे आन्सर येईल ती 4 ओहमला पॅरलल होते.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. It's right. Pawan Shinde, I think. Am I right?
येस सर.
12वीला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सब्जेक्ट होता का?
नाही सर, फिजिक्स मध्ये झालं तर.
हे झालेलं आहे. म्हणजे सगळ्यांना झालेलं असेल की.
Yes, sir.
येस सर.
Okay. Then no problem. In that engineering physics, that part is over. Okay. So now you can take this one as a homework. Just try to draw the diagram. And I will check that answer of this question in the next session.
Engineering physics नाही sir. 12th मध्ये झालं.
12th मध्ये.
12th physics मध्ये.
12th
Okay.
मध्ये झालं.
Okay, no problem. Okay, take it this one as a homework. Try to draw the diagram, and once the diagram is over, let me know these things. I will I will take that next example. Okay. Or Over.
Yes, sir.
Now I will take that next example. Okay. Now, all of you, please don't write it down anything. I will give the sufficient time because this one is little bit different type of example is there. If you try to read that example, read it along with me. For the circuit shown in figure, calculate the value of R. This R is unknown. When the total current taken by the circuit is 1.5 ampere. So the total circuit current is a 1.5 ampere is there. So forget about that, the power consumed. Yet now we have not discussed how to calculate the power of the circuit. Is it right? But just we have to calculate the unknown value of that R. So can anyone share something? What is the procedure to calculate the value of this R? Yes, please.
हॅलो सर.
Yes, please.
सर पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला टोटल रेजिस्टन्स 20 व्होल्ट आणि 1.5 अँपिअर करंट वरनं काढता येतो.
Absolutely correct.
परत आपण ही कधी पॅरलल मध्ये लावलेले R15 त्यांचं ग्रुपनी रिझल्टंट रेजिस्टन्स काढायचा.
Okay.
त्याला काय तर R म्हणायचं आणि ते 10 सोबत सिरीज मध्ये
Okay.
तिघांचं कॉम्बिनेशन काय तर येईल आणि त्याची व्हॅल्यू आपण काढलेल्या टोटल रेजिस्टन्स बरोबर कम्पेअर करायची आणि R ची व्हॅल्यू निघते.
Absolutely correct. Very good. Now see that this 20 volt, I say that this is the what? Total voltage. Is it right? And this 1.5, we can call it a total current. If you know that the total voltage and the total current, just by applying that Ohm's law, we can calculate the total resistance of a circuit. Yes or no? Just apply that Ohm's law.
Yes, sir.
Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R total. Here V is the total voltage, I is the total current, so that definitely this R is also the total. Now let me put that the value here, 20, which is equal to 1.5 multiplied by R total. Can you give me that R total here? It's 20 divided by 1.5. So that R total is equal to how much?
13.33.
13.33.
33 ohm. Now this is the total resistance. Now this is the total resistance between these 2 points. Is it right? This is the total resistance between these 2 points, because in between these 2 points we have connected that external battery, or we call it a equivalent resistance, we call it a resultant resistance. Is it right? Now if you see that this 15 ohm and this 15 ohm, how they are connected? This one and this one,
Parallel.
Parallel.
they are connected in parallel. Is it right? So can we calculate? Now definitely this R ohm is also connected in parallel with this 15 ohm and this 15 ohm resistance, but this R is unknown. So our procedure is like that. First we will try to calculate the total resistance of these two parallel branches only. And you know that the hint, when the two parallel branches are having the equal value, what is its total resistance? Exactly half of that. So can I say that here? I say that RP is equal to 7.5 ohm. How it comes? You know that. Otherwise, you can also try to do the things. Here you can write it down. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon Rp is equal to, can you give me this answer?
0.1333.
13, 1, 3,
Yes, sir.
1, 3,
1333.
3,
33.
4. Then take the reciprocal of that answer. 1 divided by answer, just do it. So that definitely you will get it. Rp is equal to 7.5. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this Rp is the combination of this 15 ohm and the 15 ohm, total resistance of these two parallel branches only. But again, this unknown value of R is in parallel with that Rp. So now, if I want to calculate the total resistance of a parallel circuit only, then I can say that 1 upon R total is equal to 1 upon Rp plus 1 upon R. That Rp value we know that. So how I can write 1 upon R total is equal to 1 upon 7.5 plus 1 upon R. Is it right? So can you give me this answer? How you can calculate it? 1 upon R total is equal to, how you can calculate this answer? So for that, let me try to multiply numerator and denominator with, because I want to make the denominator is the same. So for that, I have to multiply it with that R. So I can write it down, R divided by 7.5 R plus. Now I need to multiply numerator and denominator by 7.5. So I can say that 7.5 divided by 7.5 R. So can I write it down here? R total is equal to, now the base is same. So I say that 7.5 plus R divided by 7.5 into R. And I want that the total resistance, so definitely I will take that reciprocal of that. So that reciprocal is multiplication of both the resistances divided by summation of both the resistances. Again, keep this formula because I will discuss later on. This is the another one shortcut method to calculate the resistance of a two parallel branches. But right now I will not discuss. I will discuss afterwards. That's why I have read this equation like that. The total resistance is equal to multiplication of the total resistances of multiplication of a resistance of two parallel branches divided by its summation. Up to this, any doubts? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, this R total is the total resistance of a parallel combination only. Is it right? Or better way, I can write it down here. R1, R total 1, R total 1, and this is a R total 1. And here I can write it down, R total 2. So that there should not be that confusion. Is it right? Now, my question is that how this 10 ohm is connected to this parallel combination. It is connected in series. Is it right? So, if I want to calculate now this R total, which is equal to 10 plus R total 2, because R total 2 is the resultant resistance of this parallel combination is there. And then here I can write it down, RT, which is equal to 10 plus 7.5 R divided by 7.5 plus R. And now this total resistance RT, which is equal to the total resistance calculated in the first steps, which is nothing but R total 1. And then I can try to put it here, 10 plus 7.5 R divided by 7.5 plus R, which is equal to, how much is there? 13.33. And now, if you see this equation, here only one term is unknown, and that is nothing but R. And that thing we have to calculate. Now, when I transfer this 10 to right hand side, it should be subtract. So I say that 7.5 R upon 7.5 plus R. Can I directly write it down here? 3.33. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this denominator part, let me transfer to this side, right hand side. So it should be 7.5 R, which is equal to 3.33. And in a bracket, I can write 7.5 plus R. Now try to multiply it. 7.5 R, which is equal to 3.33 multiplied by 7.5. How much?
20.97.
20 point
24 point.
24.
975.
975 plus 3.33 R. Now this 3.33 R, I will transfer to left hand side because I want to calculate that R value. So it should be 7.5 R minus 3.33 R, which is equal to 24.975. Is it right? So 7.5 minus 3.33, how much?
4.17.
4.17.
17.
17.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
17 R, which is equal to 24.975. Now transfer this 7.17 to right hand side and give me that value of R.
5.989.
5.989.
989.
This is the value of unknown resistance. Now, how to cross check this answer? Let me give that idea. If you want to cross check that answer, put the value of R in the main circuit diagram, which is equal to 5.989. Actually, this is near about 6. You can take it approximately equal to 6. Is it right? So take the value of R as a 6. This 6 plus 15 plus 15, they are in parallel. Then this 10 ohm is in series. Then you will get the total resistance. Once you have the total resistance, you know that the total voltage, calculate the total current and compare this calculated answer with this 1.5. If it is same, your calculated answer is correct. Get it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then note it down. माने दिवसभर रिझल्ट आणि खरं Is it over? Yes or no? Hello? Okay, so today we stop here. May I close this window? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.